Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. Amazon turns Shiba Inu into a $2 giant this month. Shib news today. Shiba Inu price has been noting a downtrend for over the last 2 weeks, which investors were expecting to be the corrections before a rally. However, based on a critical indicator, it seems like the meme coin might be on the path of disappointing its holders. In this video, we will talk about Amazon turns Shiba Inu into a $2 giant this month. Shib news. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Shiba Inu price trading at $0.00001068 failed to breach the downtrend line that it has been stuck under for the better of March. The downtrend line first formed when the meme coin slipped back on the charts after testing the 100-day exponential moving average as resistance. On the other hand, in the same duration, the relative strength index has been trending upward. The indicator rose from the oversold zone under 30.0 and has been moving up towards the neutral line at 50.0, forming an uptrend line. Combining the price action and RSI's movement highlights the formation of a potential hidden bearish divergence. If this pattern continues, the Shiba Inu price could decline over the next couple of trading sessions. This would result in the meme coin falling to the critical support at $0.00000979, marking a 2-month low for the altcoin. Losing this support would further push Shib to December 2022 lows, which would sign a 25% crash for the cryptocurrency. This would prove to be highly loss-bearing for the investors that recently raked up more than 43 trillion SHIB tokens in a week. The supply on exchanges shows a decline of over $475.5 million worth of tokens. Generally, a decline in the supply suggests that a short-term accumulation trend is underway. This decline could also point towards SHIB holders pulling their tokens out of exchanges and moving them to a cold wallet. However, the possibility of the same is bleak, as such a fall was not noticed even after FTX collapsed 4 months ago. Shiba Inu holders' move is surprising, considering the network realized the highest losses observed since June 2021 earlier this week. The overall coins moved on-chain highlighted losses worth nearly 575 million SHIB, which translates to less than $62,000, but on-chain represents considerable losses. Thus, if the bearish divergence plays out and Shiba Inu's price falls to December 2022 lows, SHIB investors would add further to the network-wide losses. The team behind Shiba Inu's new Layer 2 scaling solution says the protocol aims to provide quick and cost-effective transactions. New public documentation reveals that Shibarium, which launched its beta version earlier this month, plans to achieve true decentralization by creating a protocol that charges minimal transaction fees, if not zero. According to Shiba Inu lead developer SHYTOSHI Kusama, Shibarium will offer low transfer fees for every project built on the Layer 2 protocol, noting that the goal is to process transactions in seconds for less than pennies. Touted as the blockchain of the people, Shibarium plans to become a secure, transparent, and scalable blockchain that acts as a base layer for developing new projects. The blockchain ensures secure and transparent creation and exchange of digital assets. In addition, it serves as a base for the development of decentralized applications, or dApps, including Shib, the metaverse, Shib.io, Shiba Eternity, and various other products, projects, platforms, and services within the broader Shiba Inu community. The public documentation also offers more insight into Shibarium's burning mechanism. The document says that the burn mechanism will kick in after the protocol accumulates a specific amount of boned SHIBASWAP. This token will be used for gas fees on Shibarium. When a user makes a transaction on the network, the base fee is locked on a contract on Shibarium, while the priority fee is paid to the validator. This base fee will be split in 70% burned and 30% set aside to maintain the network. Once a certain amount of bone, $25,000, is accumulated in the burn contract, users can start the burn process from Shibarium. Shiba Inu is trading for $0.000011, a slight dip in the past 24 hours. The Shiba Inu price has dropped by 0.5% in the past 24 hours, with its dip to $0.00001054 coming on a day when the overall market has barely moved. Its current price represents an 8% rise compared to its 30-day low of $0.000000973, while the meme token has also gained by an impressive 30% since the start of the year. With the beta launch of the Shibarium Layer 2 network completed earlier this month, Shib looks set to build on its earlier growth in the coming weeks, particularly when the L2 has its full public launch. Shib's indicators suggest it could begin rallying again soon, with its 30-day moving average and relative strength index taking dives in recent days. Its RSI had risen to 40 after touching 30 earlier in the month when it reached oversold levels. Similarly, its 30-day average is close to falling underneath its 200-day average, at which point the altcoin will be due for a rebound. A key resistance level for Shib currently is $0.000011, which it has failed to pass on a few occasions in the past couple of weeks. If it can break conclusively through this level, then more rises are likely to come, although Shib will probably require the wider market also to mount a recovery simultaneously. That said, the ongoing rollout of Shibarium, which is now live in beta form, could mean that the token witnesses further gains soon, particularly when the Layer 2 network makes its full public launch. Two things are particularly bullish about Shibarium, with one being technical and the other economic. Firstly, the Layer 2 network will lower transaction fees and increase Shiba Inu's capacity, improving security and enhancing decentralization. Secondly, the launch of the L2 will also increase Shiba Inu's burn rate, with 70% of the base transaction fee being destroyed. In other words, Shibarium will result in a squeeze on Shib's supply, which in turn will boost relative demand and the coin's price. Such an effect will be magnified by the fact that Shibarium's efficiency gains will attract more users to the Shiba Inu ecosystem and its apps, meaning more burns and a positive impact on Shib's price. We could therefore witness a gradual climb in terms of Shib's price over the course of the year, a process which will be helped along by the launch of Shib the Metaverse. The latter is a Shiba Inu-themed virtual world where users can purchase, explore, and trade 100,595 NFT-based lands, as well as a large number of in-game items. Its team has big ambitions for the platform, with its official website describing it as the future of entertainment, business, and gaming all rolled into one. Combined with Shibarium, it could herald a massive uptake in demand for Shib, which could move through the gears and reach new levels. Indeed, it's likely that Shibarium alone will push Shib up to $0.000015 and $0.00002, while the eventual arrival of Shib the Metaverse could see it rise even higher to $0.00005 or perhaps $0.0001 by the end of 2023. Amazon's foray into the NFT and Web3 space is eagerly anticipated, with reports indicating that the tech giant is gearing up to launch its new initiative next month. As per sources, around 15 collections are expected to be available from the launch date of March 24th under the Amazon Digital Marketplace tab. The report said this tab would only be available for US residents at launch. However, it will gradually be open to the rest of the world, including Europe. Reportedly, the launch has been postponed twice due to recent developments in the industry, including the collapse of FTX. Notably, Amazon's upcoming Web3 initiative is not open source, meaning its software code cannot be seen by everyone. NFTs can only be purchased from the Amazon account and by credit card, the report said. Amazon's technical choice was a private blockchain, not compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine, the report said, citing a person close to the matter. For developers who wish to make their NFTs available on Amazon's blockchain, it'll be mandatory to use a bridge. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.